Greetings and salutations, Average Rider here. Let's install the Icon Variant Pro Face Shield. Now this one here, specifically the fog-free blue. A lot of you guys probably think that red is my favorite color, but truthfully, blue is. Red just kind of became a theme for your average rider. So I went with the blue for this one. When you remove the outer packaging bag, there's this protective seal bag over the actual visor. I couldn't tear it open, so I grabbed my razor. Be careful not to scratch the visor if you're using a blade as well. Removing the visor is super easy. Press in the button at the top and the visor will rotate down. Once rotated to a certain spot, the shaped clips can be pulled out and removed. I tried unclipping the shield by hand and couldn't get the right spot, so I pried it off with a screwdriver. I figured even if I did mark up this spot, it would be covered by the visor. I was then able to snap in the new face shield by hand and reinstall the visor. That's all there is to it. Here's a before with the clear shield and the after with the mirrored blue. I figured this video needed some gratuitous riding video, and I'm glad I filmed this. I see that in certain lighting conditions you can see through the mirrored shield a lot more than I figured you would. Well, that turned out great. I liked the helmet before, but I really like the helmet now, just changing the visor from clear to blue. That was just a simple modification there. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.